what if I told you one rumor could cost you your empire? One mistake could wipe out your name. One careless moment, and everything you built, gone. But there's one invisible armor that protects you from it all. It's not money. It's not power. It's your reputation. And Law 5 of Robert Greene's 48 Laws of Power says this: so much depends on reputation. Guard it with your life. In a world that's always watching, your reputation is your shadow. Even when you're silent, it speaks. Even when you disappear, it remains. Let me show you how powerful it really is and how easily it can destroy. Taylor Swift was once seen as America's sweetheart. Then came the infamous moment, the 2009 VMAs. Kanye West stormed the stage, interrupted her win. And just like that, the spotlight changed. Her name was mocked, her image tarnished. But here's the twist. She didn't clap back. She rebuilt. She controlled the narrative. She dropped songs that told her side, but never directly fought the media war. And Kanye? His reputation took repeated hits, scandals, rants, chaos. And with each hit, people trusted him less. Reputation isn't about who's right. It's about who the world believes. Here's the brutal truth. Reputation is a currency. It buys you loyalty, protection, and influence. Lose it? You're bankrupt, even if your bank account says otherwise. Power players don't gamble with their name. They protect it like a sword and polish it like a crown. Take Elon Musk. He tweets recklessly. He makes bold moves, yet millions worship him. Why? Because his reputation is bigger than his flaws. He's the rebel genius, the future builder, the visionary. He controls his story. Even when he's controversial, it fits his brand. That's the secret. People will forgive your flaws if your reputation tells a powerful story. Here's how you guard your reputation like the masters. 1. Speak less, let results talk. 2. When attacked, defend without anger. Let facts bleed louder. 3. Never associate with people who drag your name. Guilt by association is real. 4. Reinvent your story if needed, but keep it consistent. 5. Monitor what's said about you. Silence isn't always golden. You can rebuild wealth. You can regain followers. But reputation, once stained, it's never the same. Protect it. Live by it. Because power isn't just about what you do. It's about what they say you are. They can't steal your silence, but they'll judge your shadow. Law 5. Guard your name like your life depends on it. Because in power, it does. If this opened your eyes, subscribe for the next Law of Power. Watch the playlist and let's master the game together.